Hey there, so I had a question about how to tell if your bobbin tension is correct. So we've got a bobbin in this case, and that's just on this particular type of machine. There are quite a lot of machines that have this particular type of bobbin case. So the big thing that you're going to do is you're going to hold it like so, suspended from your fingers from the thread. Have it threaded properly, so counterclockwise in through the notch. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to jerk it. And it should drop an inch. Now this one didn't. It didn't hardly drop at all. This one I know is not tensioned properly. This one here should be tensioned correctly. So I'm going to hold it by the string, jerk it, and it drops about an inch. And that's how I know that it's tensioned correctly. If you have any questions about how we tension these kind of bobbins, put it in the comments. And other than that, subscribe to our channel for more sewing machine type videos, and have a great day.